Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Abid Hassan Shojol. Frankly speaking, I appeared in the IELTS examination on 8th of June in the year of 2024, and I'm really exhilarated to inform you guys that my result had been published 21st June, and Alhamdulillah I have secured an overall band score of 7.0. In terms of my individual scores, in listening it was 8.5, in reading it was 7.5, in writing it was 6.0, and finally in speaking I had gotten 6.5. Though I expected better in my speaking module because I used to get above 7 each and every mock test and partial test. Nevertheless, I'm totally in 7th heaven with my result. I vividly remember that my batch number was HZ21223, and during my course my educators were Humayun sir and Prima ma'am. They both guys were quite incredible and amiable I have ever met. They showed their tremendous collaboration when I encountered with any sort of obstacles. In the same way, I had been facilitated a lot by this institution. I had taken several mock tests and partial tests from there, which were quite analogous to the main test. As a result, I would say by taking those tests, I got the actual flavor of my IELTS exam, which made me more confident. So overall, my journey with 𝐸𝐻 was second to none, and I really owe to them. So yeah, that's all about my journey with 𝐸𝐻, and in a nutshell, I'd like to recommend you guys that if you want to get your desired band score, just catch up with this platform and accelerate your desired band score. 𝒘𝒘𝒘 everyone. Assalamu alaikum.